Imagine spending hours filming, editing, writing titles, designing thumbnails, and then your video gets 47 views. Now imagine uploading a video that you created in half the time, and it hits 100,000 views because every step was powered by the smartest AI tools of 2026. The truth is, YouTube in 2026 is not about working harder, it's about working smarter. And today I'm revealing the top 7 AI tools every YouTuber must use in 2026, ranked from powerful to absolutely game-changing. If you're serious about growing on YouTube this year, this video might completely change the way you create content. Before we jump in, if you love learning how to grow faster with AI, hit that like button right now so YouTube knows to push this video to more creators like you. And make sure you subscribe to AI Side Hustle, because I break down real AI systems that help you grow, monetize, and scale without burning out. Okay, let's start. The number 7 tool on this list is ChatGPT. I know, you've heard about it. But most YouTubers are using it completely wrong. They open it, type "write me a YouTube script," copy whatever comes out, and then wonder why their videos feel generic. That's not how you win in 2026. The real power of ChatGPT is strategy. Instead of asking it to write a script, you use it to analyze your audience, generate high-retention hooks, rewrite boring sections into pattern interrupts, and even simulate viewer objections. For example, you can ask it to generate 5 emotional hook variations based on curiosity, fear of missing out, or urgency. You can ask it to rewrite your intro so it keeps viewers watching past 30 seconds. You can even paste your transcript and ask it where viewers might drop off. That's how creators are doubling their watch time. Here's the upgrade. Pair ChatGPT with your analytics. Look at your audience retention graph. Notice where people leave. Then feed that section into ChatGPT and ask it to rewrite that exact part in a more engaging way. That one habit alone can dramatically increase average view duration. In 2026, creators who treat AI like a creative partner instead of a script machine are winning. Now, let's move to number 6. And this one is all about thumbnails. The tool is Midjourney. Thumbnails are not decoration, they are your billboard. In 2026, competition is brutal. If your thumbnail does not stop the scroll in under 1 second, you lose. Midjourney allows you to create ultra-realistic, high-emotion visuals that stand out instantly. Instead of generic stock images, you can generate dramatic lighting, cinematic facial expressions, futuristic AI visuals, or hyper-detailed product scenes that look like movie posters. Here's how smart creators use it. They don't just type YouTube thumbnail. They describe emotion. For example, ultra-realistic close-up of shocked female creator, dramatic lighting, neon blue background, high contrast, cinematic, 16:9. The emotional intensity is what drives clicks. Then they test multiple variations. In 2026, serious creators don't make one thumbnail. They generate 5, test 2, and replace the losing one after 48 hours. That small tweak can increase CTR from 4% to 9%, which can double your views without making a new video. Number 5 on this list is CapCut. Editing used to take forever. Now, AI handles the heavy lifting. CapCut's AI features can auto-caption, remove silence, detect highlights, add smooth transitions, and even reframe vertical clips automatically. If you're repurposing content for Shorts, Reels, and TikTok, this saves hours every week. But here's the real strategy. Use AI silence detection to tighten your pacing. Dead air kills retention. In 2026, viewers expect fast, clean edits. Even if you speak slowly, your edit should feel dynamic. CapCut lets you remove micro pauses automatically while keeping your tone natural. That alone can increase watch time because your video feels more professional. Number 4 is a tool that directly affects your views, TubeBuddy. A lot of creators ignore SEO because they think YouTube is only about thumbnails and hooks. That's a mistake. In 2026, YouTube's recommendation system still relies on metadata signals, especially in the first 24 hours. TubeBuddy helps you analyze keyword competition, optimize tags, and compare title variations before you publish. Here's a powerful workflow. Before filming, type your video idea into TubeBuddy. Look at the search volume versus competition score. Slightly adjust your title so you target high search demand but lower competition. Then, create your script around that phrase naturally. This alignment between idea, script, and title sends strong signals to the algorithm. Now we're entering the top 3. These are tools that can completely transform your channel. Number 3 is Descript. This tool feels like magic. You edit video by editing text. If you say something wrong, you delete the sentence in the transcript, and it cuts the video automatically. It can remove filler words like M and R with one click. It can even clone your voice to fix mistakes without re-recording. About the time saved. Instead of re-recording a 10-minute section because of one mistake, you fix it in seconds. That means you can focus more on storytelling and less on technical stress. And storytelling is what keeps viewers watching. Number 2 is VidIQ. If TubeBuddy helps you optimize, VidIQ helps you predict. It analyzes trending topics, competitor performance, and growth velocity. In 2026, data-driven creators are dominating because they don't guess. They validate ideas before investing time. Here's what smart YouTubers do. They find a video in their niche that is gaining views quickly. Then, they analyze the structure. What is the hook? How long is the intro? How is the title formatted? Then they create a better version with updated information, stronger storytelling, and improved visuals. This is not copying, it's strategic iteration. And now, number 1, the most important AI tool every YouTuber must use in 2026 is Adobe Premiere Pro with AI integration. Specifically, its AI features like auto color correction, background noise removal, and smart reframing. High-quality production builds trust, and trust builds subscribers. But here's the real reason, it's number 1. Score consistency. AI inside Premiere speeds up the editing process so much that you can upload consistently without sacrificing quality. And consistency is still the biggest growth factor on YouTube. Now let me tell you something important. Tools don't make you successful. Systems do. The winning formula in 2026 looks like this. You validate ideas with VidIQ, optimize keywords with TubeBuddy, script strategically with ChatGPT, design high CTR thumbnails with Midjourney, edit efficiently with Descript or CapCut, and polish everything in Premiere. That's a complete AI-powered content machine. At AI Side Hustle, I always say this. The goal is not to replace your creativity with AI. The goal is to remove friction. When friction is gone, you create more. When you create more, you improve faster. When you improve faster, you grow. Let's talk about retention for a moment, because this is where most channels struggle. The first 30 seconds determine everything. Use AI to generate multiple hooks. Then record 3 different versions. Test which one feels the most intense. Add subtle background music. Cut pauses. Add pattern interrupts every 20 to 30 seconds. Zoom ins on screen text. Quick AI can suggest these moments if you ask it. Another powerful move in 2026 is AI-assisted A/B testing. Some tools allow you to rotate thumbnails automatically. If one performs better, keep it. Data over ego. Always. And here's something most creators ignore. Comments or signals. When viewers comment, YouTube sees engagement. Use AI to generate pinned comment ideas that spark conversation. Ask open loops. For example, which tool surprised you the most? Or do you think AI will replace editors? Controversy, curiosity, and community drive engagement. I bet, if you've made it this far, you already think differently from most creators. Most people watch tool videos for entertainment. Smart creators watch to implement. So here's a challenge. Pick just one tool from this list and master it this week. Not all 7. 1. Go deep. Build a repeatable workflow. The future of YouTube belongs to creators who combine authenticity with automation. Your personality is the brand. AI is the engine. Together, that's unstoppable. Before we wrap up, I want to hear from you. Which of these AI tools are you already using? And which one are you excited to try in 2026? Vote. Drop your answer in the comments, because I read them all. And if this video gave you value, share it with another creator who needs to level up this year. Don't gatekeep growth. Make sure you resubscribed to AI Side Hustle, so you Dan. Miss the next breakdown where I'll show you how to build a complete AI content system step by step. 2026 is not the year to create blindly, it's the year to create strategically. Remember, the tools are available to everyone. The difference is execution. I believe you can build something incredible this year, and I'll see you in the next video.